Hey guys, I have taken apart my U.S. General, took the core out. So here it is. I ground all that out so I could get the pins out. Doesn't really work very well. It's not a great made lock, so even the key doesn't work very well with it. So let's take it apart, shall we? There's one driver there. Let's see. Okay. Here are the key pins and the drivers. These things are terribly made. They're all rough and they're not serrated. They're just very poorly made. This core wasn't very well cut. This thing kind of confuses me. I've never seen this in a core before. And it has these lines. Don't really know what that does. And then this right here, this had only this in it, and what that was doing was keeping me from taking the plug out. So that's why I had to file that away to take it apart. That way I could take it out and show you guys. So nothing special about this lock. Most of the springs weren't any good. Some of them were okay, but most of them were pretty bad. The first pin was always set because it had a compressed spring, so it wasn't being pushed down. So yeah, really a poorly made core. So I'm going to re-core it, and then when I do that, I will have another video for you guys. So until then, thanks for watching. Please rate and comment, and oh yeah, say hi to Chip. Bedtime. Alright, thanks for watching.